How to make the taskbar always stay on top. Hello everyone, and let's get started. It can be quite useful to stay the taskbar on top, which could be because of the reasons such as ease of access, multitasking, system state monitoring, visual cues, as well as consistency. So if you want to make the taskbar on the top, here are some of the options. First of all, open the registry editor. For that, you can go to the search bar or open Windows plus Run tab and then tap in regedit. Once the registry editor has been opened, go to the URL or the mentioned location, which is HK current user software, Microsoft Windows current version, and then Explorer and on stock recs. First of all, right click on the folder and then export it in order to store the backup. After that, you can use it in case of any trouble. Next up, you have to go to settings, double tap on it, and then search for 0008 section. Under it, go to FA, which is written as 03. Now change the value to 01 and then you have to click on OK. After that, make sure to restart your computer and then see if the changes has been occurred. If not, restart the taskbar and then go to Task Manager. After that, restart the application again. So these are the ways by which you can make it happen. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.